My name is Émilie Kopperman. I'm a master perfumer. I'm proud to be Parisian, and I've just created Eclat Mon Parfum for Oriflame. As a Parisian, this project was a dream. For this fragrance, I wanted to capture the image of this woman. She's elegant, she's sophisticated, with a Parisian touch. I don't know. This art de vivre. The raw materials I used had to be very high quality. I'm in love with the Oris, combined with the fragrance best kept secret, the Delaire bases. The two jewels. As a perfumer, to work with Delaire Accord is a privilege. The Delaire fragrance house is really the birthplace of perfumery. Because, all the iconic fragrances that we know nowadays were created thanks to those bases. By modernizing the Delaire Accord, I could bring up the most beautiful facets of the white Oris flower. It's one of the most exclusive raw materials in perfumery, like an haute couture raw materials. I'm super proud of the product, yes. Love it. Eclat Mon Parfum is for the woman with effortless elegance. Sparkling, modern, and beautifully sophisticated, Eclat Mon Parfum is for me Paris in a bottle.